Today's review is going to be on the Baby Delight Beside Me Dreamer Bassinet and Bedside Sleeper. Welcome back, everybody. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you don't miss out on anything. Alright, this is basically how it comes out of the box. What's one good thing about this is it's easy to put together. You flip it over and you pull them up. Now this is basically the frame of it that holds it all, holds your legs spread apart. But all you'll do is just snap together. It's got little click buttons on it. Just like that, the frame will slide into these slots. And then you'll hear a click on each side. Boom. And then you'll flip it up just like that. And then this piece, it'll be separate, but you just put it down in there separate. And it's got a little cover over it so you wash it if you get it dirty. Put those in there like that. Now on one end of the legs is wheels. You got wheels so you lift it up on one side to move it around. And it's got little locks where you can lock the wheels from it not moving. Alright, on each side where your legs are, you got a little safety button. You push down and you turn it to adjust your level. You got 1 through 6 and you just do it on each side. And you can turn it, raise it up and down. One bad thing I do not like about this thing is it's not very sturdy. As you can see when I shake it. But I guess as long as it don't fall or break, which the legs are metal, so everything's basically metal. The structure part of it. So it should be alright. But I bought this for Carly for her birthday. And basically she wanted it for the bedside sleeper part. So all you do is it's got a zipper on each side. You zip them down. And then there's a little knob or a little switch right there on each side. You pull that switch and you pull it off. Same over here. Push that switch and pop it off. And then that supposed to be, you know, for the bedside sleeper. Another reason why we don't like this thing, which I guess is not too bad, she ain't worried about it, is it doesn't go up very high. Alright, now I got it turned into the bedside sleeper. We're gonna put it up against our bed here and show you what it looks like. This is what Carly wants it for mainly. But as you can see, our bed's a little tall for it. And it's kind of hard for her. Carly's got short arms. It's kind of hard for her to reach down and grab Willow instead of getting up, but she can do it. So I guess it'll work, but we think it should be a little taller. But now this thing does have anchors. Now how I told you earlier, it's not very sturdy. When you put the anchors on, it becomes pretty sturdy. A lot sturdier than it is. So it would be better just for a bedside sleeper, except we would like to have it a little taller. Alright, I got the tape measure. I want to show you how high this goes. Right now we have it at the top level, level 6. So the top of the side, where it turns into the bedside sleeper, is just under 2 feet tall. Now our bed is about 34 inches. So you might want to measure your bed and see what you think would be good for you. But the height of the whole bassinet all together is about 30 inches. Alright, we got Carly and Willow set up. This is what's going to happen in the middle of the night. She's going to be crying.
Like she is right now.
Like she is right now, and then you got to lay him down and get her. So is that too hard to do?
No.
Wasn't too bad?
Nope.
Alright. So I guess the height ain't too bad on it. I just think it should be a little taller than it is. Do you like your bassinet? Huh? 1 out of 5 stars. Your review, what do you give this bassinet?
A 4.
A 4? Willow, what do you want? What do you think? One thing I do think is that it's just a little bit overpriced. This bassinet right now on Amazon will run you $199.99. So I think it should be a little cheaper than that, but it is what it is. If you're interested in the Baby Delight Bed Beside Me Dreamer Bassinet and Bedside Sleeper, there's a link in our description for it. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And we'll catch you on the next video.